Hey guys, welcome to week three's video. What we're doing, so as you can see, week one is here. This is the only folder outside of our unit 1 folder. So that was week 1, opening our folder. Week 2, we began the textbook with the 22nd, 23rd, and 24th. These are the folders that we completed last week. And this is this week. We have the Achieve today on Monday, the 29th. And then Tuesday and Wednesday, the 30th and 31st, as you can see by the dates there, we have the preamble to the Constitution. And we'll end with text 3, speech in the convention. So today, our Achieve number 2, there was a discussion question. You could choose one of the 2 questions and respond to it in the comment box below. So today you could imagine starting your own country and think about the values that you would want your country to stand on and how you would keep people accountable to continue holding those beliefs. For example, if you believe in freedom, how will you continue maintaining freedom? Will you have police force? Will you have law system? Will you just expect people to be kind to each other? How are you going to do that? Number 2, what would you change about how our country was started and why? Thinking about who started it, we have discussed multiple times in our class that it was, for the most part, a bunch of white dudes in really awesome white wigs. So how does that represent the makeup of our country today, and how could you have changed that? Think about who was already in the country, whose voice wasn't necessarily heard or even mentioned, and you can restart how we started our country. So pick one of those 2 questions and put your ideas in the comment box. Hit post when you're done. Then we have the Achieve. Just like our first Achieve, Achieve number 2 gives you 3 different titles that you can read. You can read about revolutionary revolutionists, creating the Constitution, or shaping a government. And as you can see in the instructions, you have 3 articles to choose from. Pick one, and then type that name into the search box on Achieve to access it. Once you read it, you complete the activity. If you score less than 75%, you do not get a grade for this assignment. You have to then read another article and try again. So if you get 75 or better, you have 100%. If you get 100% your first try, then you get 60 out of 50, which is 120%, which will help your grade a lot. So this is a really good day to get caught up on your grades in this class by participating in this Achieve. If you missed the old Achieve, now is a good chance to get that done and turned in as well. So the last thing, step 3, is that you submit that screenshot. I'm looking for a screenshot of the title and the score all in one image. So Control and minus, those 2 buttons. If you hit Control minus at the same time, your screen will get smaller like this, and you can make sure that you can fit everything you need to in your screen. Because if you submit a screen like this, I can't even see your score and you will not get a grade in the gradebook. So make sure you submit your screenshot showing your percent and the title when you turn it in by clicking submit. The last thing is a reminder. If you hit next, when you finish, do these in order. Check your grades in this class, get caught up. Check your grades in all your other classes and get caught up. But if you're caught up in everything, answer this question in the comment box, which is the most difficult rule to follow in school and why. You can post it and then wait for others to post, respond to 2 other peers. So that's our Achieve 2 folder. And that was on Monday. Tuesday and Wednesday, you have the preamble to the Constitution. This starts with vocab 2. Where you look up the 6 words and you write their definitions in your own words. Then you have the comprehension questions that go with the preamble. You, of course, have the text in 2 ways, through Savas or just the PDF. You answer these 4 questions in a Google Doc, like the directions say. And then, lastly for Tuesday, what do you know about the preamble that you didn't already know? That leads us on to Wednesday. Surprising facts about the Declaration of Independence. We'll start with that YouTube video. Then you'll do the assignment that goes with the preamble to the Constitution. And then we'll pick a vocab word to commit to using. And that ends the preamble to the Constitution. Which leads us to the last folder for this week. That's text 3, speech in the convention. We'll listen to the speech and we'll complete the comprehension and assignment once we've listened to it. So that will be on Thursday. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. Excited to see you in class this week on Zoom or in person.